Now, from WTVM, this is Business Break with your host, Maureen Akers.
Hello there and welcome. Today our special guest is Rhett Jones with Air Force Heating and Air. Rhett, it's good to see you today.
Good to see you again, Mo. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic in this new year. We are, right?
Yes, Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. All right, so tell us about the new efficiency standards that have just gone into effect in the year 2023.
Yes, so the new ratings are what we call SEER 2. Traditionally, we had SEER, which was an air conditioning system that did not have any ductwork in it.
Okay.
So now SEER 2 is taking into account the ductwork factor and the resistance that it actually puts on the air conditioning machine. So ductwork is a huge factor. It's the delivery system of your air conditioning.
Yeah.
So if you have leaky duct and it's leaking out underneath your house in the attic, it takes that into account. Or majority of the time we see ductwork that is too small. So you're trying to fit too much air into a small tubes.
Wow.
I like to equate it as basically a car having highway miles per gallon versus a car pulling a trailer load of bricks down the highway. It's going to get a lot less gas mileage. And essentially those new efficiency ratings take all of this into account.
Okay, all right, it's good. I paint that picture.
Yeah.
I understand that, something I can understand there. Okay, so is the government offering any type of incentives should you make any of these energy efficient improvements to your home?
Yes, ma'am. So starting on January 1st, 2023, what they're doing is part of the Inflation Reduction Act is they're offering energy efficient improvements. The government's incentivizing us much like they would interest on a house or interest on student loans. They want us to make these energy efficient improvements. So the biggest ones are, for instance, heat pumps. With qualifying 16 SEER 2 heat pumps, you can get up to $2,000. Now it is 30% of your project as a whole, but it caps out at $2,000. There's also rebates. I think it's $600 for an AC qualifying system and $600 for a 97% furnace, which is a higher grade furnace with less that utilizes gas a lot more efficiently.
Right.
And the best thing about it is that it's not limited to one. You can get up to $3,200 in a tax credit. So those can be combined with heat pumps, ACs, furnaces, electrical upgrade, insulation, duct sealing, and I think there's windows, doors, and more solar credits as well too.
Wow, wow. Okay, so someone's watching today, they're like, okay, energy efficiency, that's something I'm very interested in. I want to find out more about my system and what I may or may not need. What should they do?
I would give us a call. Naturally, I'm a little bit biased, but I would give us a call and ask for one of our free energy audits. What we can do is we can come out there, assess the insulation, assess the ductwork, assess the type of air conditioning machine, give you a cost for it, and actually give you the amount of the rebate that or the amount of the tax credit that you'll receive from the government.
Oh, wow. So you can tell us all of it. Fantastic. So Air Force Heat and Air, the information has been on the website. I mean, go to the website or call them. It's been on the screen while we've been talking. Thank you so much, Rhett.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll see you on the next Business Break.
Thank you.
If you want to be seen on Business Break, contact us here.